Today, security threats are all around us, becoming smarter, bolder, and more dangerous. To stay a step ahead of the threats, intelligent detection systems must harness all that the current technology has to offer. Introducing the new Pro-X Intelligent Color Series IP cameras. These cameras can seek out, locate, and track moving targets, as well as detect and deter security events in real time. The Pro-X Intelligent Color Series is comprised of two camera groups. First, the Color 24/7 cameras, featuring a 4-megapixel turret, an 8-megapixel turret, and 8-megapixel bullet. And second, the X Deterrence cameras, featuring two turret cameras in 4 and 8 megapixels, along with an 8-megapixel dual-lens turret with e-tracking. Pro-X Color 24/7 cameras master the art of day and night monitoring. They utilize large apertures and progressive scan CMOS sensors to capture clear, vivid imaging in extremely low light and in complete darkness, using their built-in supplemental light. Each of these indoor-outdoor Pro-X cameras features Motion Detection 2.0, capturing and classifying humans and vehicles in motion, along with improved alarm accuracy and extended capture distances. With the two 8-megapixel Color 24/7 cameras, users can take advantage of the AI-powered X Search. In X Search, the cameras gather key human and vehicle metadata across channels and in real time. Select NVRs, then provide multi-layered search capabilities in both the live feed and recorded footage. Users can find and follow targets in recorded video, locate related targets, and much more. These cameras take security even further with XPoE, extending their Power over Ethernet range to reach up to 2,600 feet. Users will also enjoy the people counting, queuing management, and heat mapping VCAs for expansive business intelligence. That's how Pro-X cameras detect and track security events. Now see how Pro-X X Deterrence cameras can prevent them. Each of these cameras has been strategically designed to deter crime. X Deterrence is an all-in-one combination of active deterrence features that includes motion detection, hybrid illumination, night color, and flashing blue and red lights. In real-world scenarios, these flashing blue and red lights have been shown to send would-be perpetrators running. And to track targets in motion, X Deterrence includes the 8-megapixel X Deterrence dual-lens camera with a 180-degree field of view. This camera packs in all the proactive features described so far and includes e-tracking as well. With e-tracking, digital zoom tracks multiple targets in a scene at once. Picture-in-picture windows show zoomed-in views of moving objects, while the live feed retains the whole scene. Staying ahead of security threats today requires sharp day and night imaging, active deterrence, and advanced target tracking. And that's the Pro-X Intelligent Color Series. Color 24/7 cameras, X Deterrence cameras, and the X Deterrence dual-lens turret with e-tracking. Pro Intelligence, Pro Detection, Proactive. That's Pro-X.